Hare Krishna. So the Lord continues his instructions on the concept of Buddhi Yoga to Arjun in today's 50th verse of the 2nd chapter. Krishna says, Buddhi yukta jahatiha ubhe satkruta dushkrute tasmad yogaya yujyasva yogah karmasu kaushalam. A man engaged in devotional service rids himself of both good and bad reactions, even in this life. Therefore, strive for yoga, which is the art of all works. Krishna says, Jahatiha. Jahatiha means get rid of. Yes. So, Buddhi Yuktaha, when we work with Buddhi, get rid of all the reactions or fruitive mentality that you will have this from this action, you will have this from this action. Ubhe satkruta dushkrute, whether good or bad, get rid of results. Tasmad yogaya yujyasva. Krishna says, what is yoga? Yoga means what will unite me with Krishna. That is yoga. भगवान के मुझे क्या पास लेके जाएगा, वो चीज करने योग्य है. कौन सी चीज मुझे भगवान से दूर लेके जाएगी, वो चीज करने योग्य नहीं है. और जब हम इसकी तुलना या इसका निर्णय बुद्धि के आधार पर करते हैं, मन और इंद्रियों के स्वामित्व से भरे हुए अपनी चेतना को बुद्धि के सममाप या तोल से बैलेंस करते हैं, उसे बुद्धि योग कहते हैं. कृष्णा सेज दैट व्हाट विल यूनाइट मी विद कृष्णा एट द एंड ऑफ दिस लाइफ, दैट शुड बी द ओनली फैक्टर इन वर्किंग, नथिंग एल्स. और कोई चीज होनी ही नहीं चाहिए. देयर शुड बी नो अदर कंसिडरेशन. सो a person is always thinking about the result of his activities. Why is he thinking of the result of his activities? Because of ignorance. Why there is ignorance? The ignorance is there because previous karmas are haunting. Why those previous karmas are haunting? Because previously he has acted wrongly. So this is a vicious cycle that is going. So this vicious cycle can be curtailed only at the platform of buddhi. So Krishna says, Yogah karmasu kaushalam yujyasva. Yujyasva means to be engaged. So whatever Krishna wants, in this case Krishna wants Arjuna to be engaged in yuddha. Even if Arjuna should not want, he should do yuddha. अपने अच्छाई और बुराई के डेफिनेशन से ऊपर आकर कृष्ण की अच्छाई और बुराई का डेफिनेशन अपनाना चाहिए. दैट इज योगः कर्मसु कौशलम. इन दिस वे one acts. Yes. So Srila Prabhupada explains that actions are usually performed with two extremes, with desires or without desires. In between them there is a platform of doing activity with indifference to result. That is yoga. So that's why we see usually when two brothers are fighting for a property or XYZ, any third mediator comes and he finishes off the fight. He mediates, अरे तुम ये कर लो, and fight does not happen. That is considered to be good. But here Pandavas and Kauravas are fighting, and rather than being a mediator, Krishna is instigating Arjuna, fight, very good, fight, kill. So on an ordinary level this is considered to be not a good activity, but because it is Krishna who is saying this, it is an absolute activity. So one should not be bothered about results. Arjuna should not be bothered about results. Yoga karmasu kaushalam. So we see, whenever we take instructions on an absolute platform, then we need not worry about the results of that activity. It is exactly like a Sainik soldier goes on the battlefield and the commander says fire, he fires. Sometimes, whenever a Sainik visits a battlefield, he knows either he will kill or he will get killed. But thinking that he will kill, does he become, पहले से ही वो बहुत खुश है क्या? नहीं. जान के कि मारा जा सकता है वो जाता ही नहीं है क्या फाइट के लिए? नहीं. अरे ऑर्डर आया है वो करना ही होगा. आपको अभी भारत पाकिस्तान बॉर्डर पे, भारत चाइना बॉर्डर पे जाना है, यहां पे खड़े रहना है, फाइट करना है. अब उनको मारो या खुद मरो, योगः कर्मसु कौशलम. So this is how a soldier acts. A devotee in Krishna's service is also like a soldier. When Krishna says act, then there is no question of हम जिएंगे मरेंगे क्या करेंगे, आगे क्या होगा, पीछे क्या होगा, इसका क्या होगा, उसका क्या होगा. योगः कर्मसु कौशलम. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna